Do you think the death penalty does um, help the process for the families? It doesn't.
No.
And are the families?
And
I
I
don't.
personally, I lobbied for the death penalty. We had an initiative drive that I was involved in, and because I felt that what's his face had been executed in Alaska, I mean, my daughter would still be alive, and a lot of other people. But I don't think it works.
Why and why don't?
Well, one thing, it takes too long, and as far as victims are concerned, uh, they want, a lot of them want the death penalty, but when it comes down to it, is the courts look at it with a fine-tooth comb. It takes anywhere from 10 to 15 and more years before the person's executed. Every time there's appeals, a reporter sticks a mic in the family's face and says, "How do you feel about it?" So, it just drags the process out.
You're saying when they stick the mic in the face, that drags it out even more?
Oh, sure it does. It's all in the papers, it all brings it all up again. Now, when we got involved in the death penalty, I told them I wouldn't get involved at all unless there was a backup of life without parole, and I mean without parole. And so we do have what we call the aggravated murder, which the prosecutor can ask for the death penalty, or if they don't ask for the death penalty and the person gets convicted of aggravated murder, then they go to prison without parole. So there's no chance of